What's up, YouTube? John back again, scaling with Cotter. Super short one for today. Today we're going to talk about the top 3 reasons why you're getting 0 jobs from Google and how to fix it. How do online reviews affect our business, the do's and the don'ts, a couple facts. Do you need a review strategy? That kind of stuff. And make sure you like and subscribe. I need the help. So, how do online reviews impact your business? How does it help you? How does it not help you? Well, you got to first monitor your review. You got to set up an alert. There's a bunch of review automation tools out there, I guess. There's like one called Podium, a Bird Eye, Nice Job does it. We have a proprietary notification setup. You got to be able to showcase your best reviews too. You got to add them to your website or share them on social media, use them in ads. You can even actually post a 5-star review at the top of your Google profile to make a great first impression. And you got to be super consistent. You got to ask every time. Every time you leave a job, ask for a review. It's pretty important. Then you got to respond to all of your reviews as well, good or bad. Even if you get a bad one, you got to respond to it. You use your reviews as social proof in your marketing. You put it on your website and you're able to, and it gives customers, they really trust reviews, but you don't want to wait too long. You got to get to it right away. Why do you need a review strategy? You know that Google reviews impact your trust, your Google ranking, and your sales. But here's the biggest mistake I see contractors make. They don't ask. The reality is most happy customers don't leave reviews unless you ask. People are busy, they move on, but if you make it super easy for them, they're usually happy to help. Here's 3 pretty good tips that I wrote down because they're so important. 1, ask customers for a review right away after the job is done. 2, send a follow-up text or email with direct review links. 3, make it part of your company's process to train your team to request reviews. So the secret of getting a 5-star reputation fast, you focus on delivering an amazing experience and great reviews will follow. Going the extra mile, text the customer a personal thank you after the service. Offer a small freebie like a free filter replacement or something, just something to impress them. Train your team to be friendly, on time, and professional. This boosts reviews naturally. Here's a great idea. You should create a customer satisfaction survey to make sure that all your jobs were 5-star worthy. How do you handle the negative reviews? You shouldn't panic over them, first off. Even the best businesses go. Just acknowledge the issue. We're sorry we're sorry you had this experience. Stay calm and professional, and don't argue online. Offer a resolution. Please call us and we can make it right. Anything like that. You can turn a bad review into a win. Some unhappy customers update their review if you handle it well. Never ignore a bad review. Respond within 24 hours to show some professionalism. There's a lot of ways you can definitely get better reviews online. There's so many ways. You could ask past customers through emails, automated emails. You could ask them, give an update on Google. And with good reviews comes good referrals. Sometimes you get a lot of word of mouth just from the people that are leaving the reviews. Like, hey, I left a review for this guy. He did a really good job on my pool. We're going to have him come back all the time. That kind of stuff, But if you guys got something out of this video, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. Hit that bell. I really need the help. I'm just starting out. All right, y'all. Peace out. Thanks.